Keep it real, saying chemicals kill and cannabis heals. That's why we grow. The nation. I want to shout out to all y'all who came out here for this epic event. Full of all these legends, We're real outlaws to pioneers. We've been in this game from the roots all the way to the top. I want to shout out to all the real ganja farmers, all the small farmers, all the home grows. Don't get tricked by these corporate weed, all this bullshit, chemical pumps.
Dope. It reminds me of Final Fantasy, Final Destination. At least the weed is good.
Strolling through the garden on the midday mission. I wanna smoke this one, that one, and oh yeah, this one. Weed smells got my nose kicking today, smoke. Fire out of the frontal to the whole thing is gone.
Organic company, y'all wanna come smoke with us or what? Well, come on up. We're gonna fire up something with y'all. I got another one I'm gonna light up too. So one more time, y'all, sing it with me. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in your town, it's a permanent town. Yeah, I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in your town, it's a permanent town. I put it down and no joke. When I wake up in the morning, I roll one. When I hit the studio, I roll one. When I walk into my car and I roll one, pull out the world's biggest back with a whole run. Tonight we get lit. Can they go up for the spit? Tip up all the hash, fancy can only quit. Kiss me with that idea, get straight to looking hopeless. Men know we got that royal dopeness. Cannabis, mixing in my culture. Terpenes, flavor and aroma. It's cropped over and I'm swimming and we don't want that. Chicken, green, and better than the heat. One perfect heat, I serve you lead. Won't keep it in my personal stash, reserve and breathe. Burn. Pulling out the fire, I'ma bring it down with a spark it with the lighter I burn. Best stars I refill. Every day is like a smoke box of beef. Everything's so good, man, burn it down. Put your hands in the sky, put the hot race down and say, I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in your town, get to burn it down. Like race down, we will go. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in your town, get to burn it down. Hot race down, we don't go.
Yeah, Michigan, can I bust a few bars right about now? Be on the floor when I ain't talking shit. I smoke the finest weed you can get. Came from Virginia and I got some friends. I smoke a joint and they smoke one again. I like to smoke with my girl lady. I like this weed and the vibe so nice. Smoking with you, you smoking with me. I heard that you grow some fire ass cream.
You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. Yes, I do. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. You know that I know that you know that I like to smoke. One more time. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in the town, we can burn it down. I take down the window. Yeah, I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in the town, we can burn it down. I take down the window. Yo, I like to smoke. Sing it. I like to smoke. When we pull up in the town, it's a burning it down. High grade sound and dojo. One more time. I like to smoke. I like to smoke. When we pull up in the town, it's a burning it down. High grade sound and dojo. with our Big Cloud family. One more time, Organic Cup, thank you so much for having us out here tonight.
Oh my god, it's so tiny.
And then nothing.
Just black nothingness. That's what we're walking into.
All right, Michigan, I think we're coming down, you know, to the final stuff. We saved this next song for the end because this is another brand new song from our upcoming album. This really shows that, you know, we're all about this culture. The OGs, the legends, they're our roots. That's where we started growing since we were kids. Learning from these cats like Ed Rosenthal, Danny Danko, Sub Cool, Frenchie, Eddie Lepp. All these legends who laced us with so much game. So these right here, these are my roots. Y'all are my roots out here. Yeah. Yo. Man, dope. You know we've been up in this game for a long time. These are my roots. The cannabis culture. Yo. Learned how to grow up in the hills. My community was ran on weed, that's how we paid the bills. Learned how to trim and hit the field. Germinated my first seed and then I leveled up my skills. Learned how to hustle from these older cats, cause I was just a youngin' making money off of Doja sacks. Learned about the healing from this ganja plant from OGs that I grew up on like Eddie Lepp, a ganja Mac. Learned about this breeding game from subs. Learned about all this life down in the soil in the holes I dug. No tilling, yeah, I learned from Minnesota nice. And Frenchie taught me how to collect resin in the ice. These are my roots, I could not grow without it. Real farmers know under the surface is what really counts. Standing strong and we still growing them trees. Dedicated to the ganja OGs. These are my roots. Never forget where I came from. I've been in the soil since day one. These are my roots. From the legends I'ma blaze one. They done taught me everything I know, yeah, homie, these are my roots. Did we hype it up enough for them? That's what's up. Michigan legacy, can I get a caw-caw? Yo, Bleezy, let's run this one with them. On the ganja go. Michigan legacy, y'all having fun out here? Put them hands to the sky. On the ganja go. Yeah, we're gonna get them hot with some of these dope rhymes. Yo, on the ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. I've been growing for over a decade. Build brands, help y'all get paid. Full term, sun grown, high grade. Bento, the hills I was raised. Did it all on our own, self-made. Glass jars of emerald tri-flame. I'm the ganja go, the microscope, the doping. Your nose is the only thing that grows y'all. Just like Pinocchio's, never had toast stacks on top of toast. Only time you ever seen a field of dreams is when you sipped the lean and fell asleep. Had the green but woke up in the seats. I'ma teach these cats how to grow some weed. I don't use no chemicals. CBD instead of pills. THCA straight from kill. I won't change, I keep it real. Let's crack the seal on it. Jar smells like an orange peel on it. Rolled it, light it, now we feeling it. Crystal shining, now we hearing it. The pain that I had is gone. Say what I had in the bag was wrong. Then I grew up, found out what I had in my backpack and the bag was gone. Time to move on, if he ain't down. Take what I'm passing around. Born in the ganja town, every year I plant new seeds in the ground and the ganja goes. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. On the ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. I'ma gas on this. Write my rap with hash on this. Fingerprints are red and I'm representing ganja farmer back on this. Been growing that dank and I'm pushing that top rank straight on the outlaw scene. I'ma break this down like enzymes in a soil from the alfalfa seeds. SSTs, brew with these, grew the trees, who taught ya?
Sticky smelling like lemon squeeze on all this good green ganja. If it ain't crap, we don't want ya. I got too much varieties to choose, all green shock ya.
One of the best to ever do it. Got laced by the one who led the movement. Set trends on the world the way we grew it. How Speed did it, just how we do it. When I roll this potent open and shake your focus, holding in a choke, real we culture what I spoke. I teach this technique coast to coast. Let's toast. We don't brag, but we do got enough fresh weed in December to fill up Santa Claus bag. I'ma go bad if I ain't got no smoke. Shit, I'ma jump out in the field, start chewing on plants, don't trip on me, I'm a ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope grind. Teaching cultivation worldwide.
I'm a ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope grind. I'm a ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope grind. Teaching cultivation worldwide. I'm a ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope grind. I'm a ganja go. Legacy, Michigan, thanks so much for having us. We are Mendo. Real quick before I leave, can y'all sing a little song? When I say Mendo, y'all say dope. Y'all ready? Mendo. 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 We love y'all so much, Michigan.
Y'all give it up one more time for the Mendo Dope Boys. Yeah. Hold on. Let's do it one more time. Y'all give it up one more time. That wasn't loud enough. Give it up for the Mendo Dope Boys.
Yeah, we deep in here. We rooted in the soil with y'all all the way to the end. Cannabis culture.
All right. Y'all already know what we got coming up next. I'm about to come.
Lay off in the tall grass so my views are stars.